Assalamu alaikum learners of grade 2. Today the work we are going to do in the classroom is work with these numbers. As you have already done in your previous work, I have given you one number and you add a number in it, you subtract a number from that number. That the number was of your choice. Every child has done according to it in the classroom. You have add one number in it, you subtract one number from that, then you add tens in it, then you subtract tens from that, and then you point out the number on the chart. You also color the number according to the backus, and then you at the end you write the number name of that number. This time we are going to work with this chart. As you can see the chart over here, we are going to work with this chart. For this chart, the numbers are going to give you over here. You have to add 10, you have to less 10, you have to add 100, you have to less 100, and then at the end you are going to write the number name. Okay, the interesting thing is that if after solving one sum mentally, you can able to do the other sums as well. It's not difficult at all. Maybe there will be a little confusion for you at the number of tens, but not at hundreds, and later you'll figure out that how you are going to move back to the previous number. Okay, now let's move to the number. The first number is 900. I'm going to solve this sum for you first, and then we'll move to the next number verbally. Okay, for 900, look at here very carefully. When we say that add 10 in it, you easy note that if you write the place value, this is your unit, this is your tens, and this is your hundreds. You clearly know that this value, the first value is your units, the next value is your tens, and the next value is your hundreds. Now look at very carefully over here. Adding 10, 110, you have to add only 110. Okay, if they say that you have to add only 110, this means that only this portion is changing, not your units, not your hundreds. You are not going to move any other number except this number. You are going to change this number only. Your unit is changing, so by adding one unit in it, this will become your 910. Because one unit is adding in it, you are going to write 1 under it. See, you are going to write 1 under it. Okay, this will make you confused. We will work with this only. Okay, you are adding 1 in it. This means that the new number will become 910. By adding 10 in it, the number will become 910. Now they say less 10. Add 10, 10 more, and less 10. Now your number is 900. This time you have to less 110 from your tens. As you can see that there is 0 tens over here. What is it here? 0 tens. The value of tens is 0. What you will do to make it a 10 number? We'll borrow 110 from there. And we have to less 110 only. So what we'll do, we'll borrow. In your mind you are going to borrow it. When we borrow the number, what we know that our hundreds become 800 because we borrow 100 from there. This will become our 10. This also we know in mind that this is become 10. This will become 8 because we borrow 110 from 100, one number from there. This will become our tens. Now look at here very carefully. This is becoming your 10. 10 minus 1. Now this time you have to less 1. Okay, this you are add 1, and this you have to less 1. Now after doing less 1, you are going to use one number. Okay, उसी same number के साथ we are going to perform these 4 functions, and we write the number name of the same number. Now after less 1, what we'll do, that we know that we borrow 110 from there. This will become our 8. Now 10 minus 1 becomes 9, and 0 comes directly because there is no change in 0. So 0 will directly come down. ठीक है, इसको भी आप छोटा सा कट. In your mind you have to do this, not on your or you can use a rough page for doing that, but in your mind you have to solve it like this. Okay, now when we move to, now this will become 890. Now they say add 100 in this number and less 100 from the same number. Now you know that your number is 900, unit, tens, and 100. The change will become only in hundreds. When we add 1 in it, what it becomes? 9 plus 1, 10, and 2 zeros will come down. This will become a value of 1000. This will become a value of 1000, because 9 plus 1 is 10. The whole 10 you are going to write down, and you will move to the next number, and your number, the tens will come same down, units will come same down, there is no change in it. So when we add 100 in 900, this becomes 1000 or 1000. 1000 is equals to 1000 or 1000. And when we less, now 900 unit, tens and hundreds, now we are going to less 110 from here. We are going to change only 100. 9 minus 1, that is 8. Unit will come same down, tens will come same down. This will become your 800. So after lessing 100, it will give you 800. Now the rest of the sums we are going to do mentally in our mind.